We are NavSpex. We aim to revolutionize navigational assistance for the visually impaired. There are a number of senses that humans take for granted which allow us to carry out our day-to-day tasks with relative ease. Perhaps the most important of these is eyesight, through which we receive over 80% of our impressions. Over 1.5 million Canadians suffer from varying degrees of visual impairment and are unable to complete basic tasks without external help. The Ontario government has allocated $1 million towards accessibility services and aims to make Ontario fully accessible by 2025. This includes aids for the visually impaired. Talking to 15 potential users through the Canadian National Institute for the Blind, as well as other services like Waterloo Accessibility, there was a frustration with regards to relying on other individuals for daily tasks, including navigation in a new or unknown building. Furthermore, there was reluctance to carrying visible forms of support, such as walking sticks, as they identified the users as being visually impaired. Analyzing competition in the market, it can be seen that there is a gap with regards to a low-price product which directly provides users with information allowing them to avoid obstacles and navigate successfully to their destinations. This product would be better than walking sticks, which requires the users to move it in order to find the obstacles, as well as guide dogs, which relay information indirectly. This is the gap in the market that Watt Optics aims to bridge.
The solution we came up with is a smart pair of glasses that will guide you in door-to-door navigation. The product has multiple sensor inputs, a user input, as well as an output to allow for user interaction. The user input is a microphone which allows our users to tell the glasses which room number they wish to go to. We use speech recognition algorithms to pass that information to the software application which handles the navigation route calculations. The application will read out navigation instructions to the user, which will be available via headphones. As part of the navigation routine, the camera detects the current location by reading barcodes in front of room numbers. The IMU sensor will count the number of steps to keep track of the user's location at any given point in time. When they have reached the final destination, the camera detects the barcode of the destination room number and exits. In addition to the navigation guidance, sonar is another sensor input that is used to alert users whenever there is an obstacle near them. All these features combined, we want to make sure our users can use this product independently and get a wholesome experience. This video will demonstrate the working of the product. As you can see, the camera is currently detecting the barcode in front of the current room, and the next instruction was to turn right and walk forward 15 steps. The user is now told to turn right and the camera detects the barcode in front of the destination room. We realize that a good business model is really crucial for any company. It is important to have a good understanding of our potential business partners as well as distribution channels. For our product, our main key partners would be accessibility services, institutions for visually impaired individuals, non-governmental organizations, as well as online retailers. In terms of the customers, we want to focus on individuals suffering from total visual impairment, and these could be either school or university students, as well as working professionals who work in big corporations and large office spaces. Moreover, product-customer relationships really affect some of the major decisions of the company, which is why we aim to make it a compact, everyday use device that is hands-free as well as reliable. We'll talk more about distribution channels and marketing activities in the next few slides.
Having a successful marketing and sales strategy is crucial for an entrepreneurial venture to succeed. Although the target market for the product is quite niche, there are various avenues through which the product can be promoted. Firstly, NavSpex aims to attend major tech trade shows such as CES in order to showcase the innovative strides that the product has made. Tech conferences and summits are also an avenue for marketing the product. In addition, we plan on having open houses where we invite the visually impaired users to try the product and provide us with direct feedback. These initial open houses are vital for the product improvement for future iterations. Social media platforms such as Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, and Twitter, as well as online user community forums, will be used to target users that can benefit from NavSpex. In terms of direct outreach, universities and school administrators, as well as offices and corporations will be reached out to, and the product will be pitched for their companies. Distribution is also an important factor to consider when planning a successful product launch. The product will be sold in retail stores such as Best Buy, and the customer service representatives will be provided instructions to properly demonstrate the product functionality to customers. NavSpex will also be available for purchase online through retailers such as Amazon, eBay, and Alibaba Express. For companies and corporations, we aim to apply a subscription model where we would be responsible for repairing and continually updating all NavSpex products on their campuses. For a successful product launch, parts of the distribution channel such as manufacturing and warehousing partners will be consulted on a regular basis to ensure NavSpec production is streamlined.
We formed our financial projection over a 4-year period. For institutions, our revenue-based strategy is based on a subscription model starting at $20 per month. For retail, which is another one of our major distribution channels, NavSpex glasses will be priced at $350. As seen from the table below, the revenue is projected to grow at approximately $160,000 every year with a profit margin of 45% for the product. The current stage of the product, NavSpex have had made significant progress over the past few months. The first prototype has been successfully built and assembled, and a total of $250 has been spent on building the prototype. Building the second prototype is currently underway. Testing and verification is being carried out to ensure that the functionalities and objectives of the product are being met. The first prototype was showcased at the Mechatronics Design Symposium 2019 and had been awarded the People's Choice Award. NavSpex has accumulated great feedback from judges and evaluators and was also appreciated by users from trial and testing phases. We plan to incorporate the positive feedback from users into creating a successful and robust business model. Improvements and updates to the product will be made periodically by integrating user feedback on a continuous basis before moving into production and manufacturing. The production ramp-up phase will prepare the product for an official launch and release to the public. Our management team consists of MD Tasin Sharif, who is in charge of production management, Saida Zainab, in charge of product development, Yashasvi Rana for marketing specialist, and Shazeb Gill as our business development executive.